Hello everyone and welcome to the Mathematiker channel. Let's suppose that we have a natural number, n. We would like to prove that the number, n multiplied by n+1 multiplied by n+5 is divisible by 6. Although, this proposition can be proved by a recurring reasoning, in this video we're going to see a more simple method. As we know that 6 is equal to the product of two coprime numbers which are 3 and 2, it will be enough to prove that this number is divisible by 3 and 2 in order to deduce that it is divisible by 6. Let's start by the divisibility of n multiplied by n+1 multiplied by n+5 by 2. We notice that n and n+1 are two successive natural numbers. So one of them is necessarily even. Therefore, their product is divisible by 2. And this means that the multiplication of this product by n+5 is also divisible by 2. So, our main number is divisible by 2. Let's now check out its divisibility by 3. As the set of natural numbers can be partitioned into several undersets, we can assume that whatever the natural number n we chose, n is either equal to 3k, or 3k plus 1, or 3k plus 2, such that k is a natural number. So, we can check out the divisibility of each of n, n+1 and n+5 by 3 according to this cases. In the table that appears, we can see that for each natural number n that can be written as 3k, n is already divisible by 3, so the product n multiplied by n+1 multiplied by n+5 is also divisible by 3. Then, if n is equal to 3k plus 1, we would have n+5 divisible by 3, so the product, n multiplied by n+1 multiplied by n+5 is divisible by 3. And finally, in case n is equal to 3k plus 2, then n+1 would be divisible by 3. So the product n multiplied by n+1 multiplied by n+5 is divisible by 3 in this case too. So we deduce that whatever the number n, our number, n multiplied by n+1 multiplied by n+5 is divisible by 3. And as we already know that it's divisible by 2, we conclude that this number is divisible by 2 multiplied by 3, which mean that it is divisible by 6. So that was one way of proving it. Did you prove it using another method? Let us know in the comment below.